As the Ukrainian drone army works as a small flexible guided missile, Russian tanks have become very vulnerable on the battlefield, most commonly trying to deal with this threat with the cope cage. As we see a Russian tank driving over a field with branches as camouflage and a cope cage on top, the drone was quickly homing in. But while the drone can most of the time very easily avoid the cope cage, it's more important which direction the drone attacks from. As the front section has the most armor, the FPV drone can still damage or destroy the tank, but will have less probability to do so, as the drone strikes the turret, definitely damaging the tank. Due to the front attack, the tank could have survived, while showing the cope cage adding little protection. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.